In this video, I'm going to show you 5 different ways where you can successfully promote your Warriorplus affiliate links. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn the best way to promote your links. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so that you're notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income with affiliate marketing, and today I want to help you. All right, so as I mentioned in the beginning, I'm going to show you all of the different ways that you can successfully promote your Warriorplus affiliate products. Now, the products that I use are just examples, and in no way am I endorsing any of these products. I just want to show you how to start making some money. The first and probably most obvious way is simply with launch jacking. And with launch jacking, that's where you hop on a trending launch, you create content about that launch, and people are coming to the internet to learn more about that new product. And the reason why this works so well is most affiliates, most super affiliates, have hundreds of thousands of people on their mailing list. And whenever there's a new product released, they will send out an email about this new product. And then people that receive the emails and actually open them, they'll actually go over to Google or YouTube to learn more about the product. So let's say, for example, coming up on October 26th, we have a product called the Loki Cycle. So if we click on that, it's going to take us to the page here. We can learn a little bit more about it. And this is going to be key to your success with launch jacking. Is you want to learn more about the product. You want to learn what the product does and how it operates and how it can help people. All of these products are supposed to solve a problem. And so you want to figure out the problems that these products solve so you can create content around that. So I just clicked on the JV page. If we scroll down here, there isn't much here just yet. I would assume that things are going to pop up later. But if we go back here, we can take a look at all of the recent launches. We'll click back one more time. And again, this is muncheye.com. So if we go to, we're looking for Warriorplus here. Let's see this one. We'll click on this one, copy, paste, profit. Again, I am in no way endorsing any of these products. If we click on the JV page once again, we're going to see exactly what the product does. And what we can do too, let's hope that I'm muted, we can actually copy the name of the product and see that people are creating content in various places. As you can see, if we scroll through, we can learn more about the product, which is going to be important for your success. So I'm just going to click back here. And what we're going to do is we're simply going to just copy the product name, copy, paste, profit. We're going to copy this, go over to YouTube, youtube.com, and we are going to paste in the title of the product. And what you'll see here is you'll see a bunch of people doing the same thing, and you'll also see that they're offering all sorts of bonuses. That's something that you will want to consider as well. And the best way to offer bonuses is to look at the product that you're recommending. Let's see if we can go back over here one more time. Look at the product that you're recommending or promoting and figure out where the weaknesses are. And you want to offer bonuses based on the weaknesses. And there are tons of ways that you can offer bonuses. You can offer bonuses in the form of additional training. You can offer PLR content. So go over to like plrstore.com and find products that are congruent or that will work with this. So if we scroll through and we look, you just want to look and see what problems this product solves. We go back over to YouTube. You can see this video from 44 minutes ago. It already has 8 views, 4,000 subscribers. They're doing this exact thing. They're doing copy, paste, profit, review. If we look at this video from 2 days ago, 30 views. This one from 1 hour ago, 14 views. People are doing this exact same thing. And they actually waited too late. What I would recommend that you do, if we go back over here, click back, this product was launched this morning, today. I would actually go back a few days before today and actually create this content. So if we go back over to YouTube and I scroll down, you're going to see people created videos like a week ago about the product. And that's the right way to go. You want to create this a week ago because people are sending out emails 2, 3, 4 days before. You get access to the product. Obviously, you'll have to apply and get accepted. But once you get access, you want to start creating content that will help solve a problem. You want to create content like an email to send out to your target audience. But this is the most obvious and this is the easiest way, is to create a YouTube video. As you can see, these YouTube videos aren't terribly long. They all claim to be reviews, but at the end of the day, they're just promoting the product. So this is one way. Another thing that you can do, if we copy this like this, we can go back over to Google and we can paste this in just like this and hit enter. If we scroll down, we're going to add in review afterwards. Hit enter just like that. And as you can see, this person actually is using a free Google Sites webpage to do it. They're not even spending their own money. So if we click on this, you're going to see once again that this is exactly what they're doing. This video or this blog post is not terribly long. You could actually create a longer post. User rating 2 out of 10, export rating 3 out of 10. You could create a longer post where you're actually helping people. And what you could do is you could actually launch jack the website. So if we copy this, we'll go to Ahrefs just like this, hit enter. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a look and see what keywords that this website ranks for, and we can potentially write better content. So if I go over to Site Explorer, I'm going to paste this in just like that. And let's see, we hit enter just like this. And we're going to see what pops up, see what they rank for. Ranks, they've got 3 keywords here. We're going to potentially take these keywords, copy, paste, copy, paste. Let's see if we can find more information. So if we click on that, but this is one way that you could potentially start making money, is go through, figure out what people are doing. If I click on this like that, go through, find keywords that people are creating content on, take their content and make better content. Take their keywords and make better content. But as you can see here, people are doing this. So if we hit back once again, copy and paste review, let's take a look at this one. And once again, we're just going to go through and they're creating, this is a longer blog post. I'm surprised it's actually not outranking the first one. If we scroll down here, once again, they are creating content about the copy paste review. What we can do, and I know this will work a little bit better, is we open up the main page here. And we're going to copy this. And as you can see, they're creating all sorts of content on Warriorplus products. We're going to go up to our Ahrefs keyword tool. And I'm going to paste this in just like that, hit enter. And we could potentially take the keywords that they're ranking for. So if we look at their overall website rank, and let's see, they're ranked 2 million. So this is a good sign. If we go over to the keywords, they have over 3,000 keywords. And I'm sure they're making decent money. As you can see, the competition is all less than 10. And if I copied these are probably all products that you'll find over on Warriorplus. And you can do this too. This is the easiest way to do it. Now, what you can do is you can either write these reviews yourself, or you can hire someone to do it for you. And you could hire someone over on iWriter for as little as like $20 to start one for you. But if we look at this, Stream Store, let's go back over here. Let's go back over to this one. I'm going to click on this web page like that. And as you can see, they're writing blog posts. Now, these blog posts are pretty long, which is good. That means they're spending a lot of time, and they're including bonuses and other helpful information. This blog post might actually not be that long. It's just the fact that the formatting is so narrow. But if we scroll all the way down, and they've included a ton of bonuses. As you can see, 24 bonuses for a product that's supposed to help solve an affiliate's problem and make them rich. 24 bonuses. If we go back up, we're going to right click and we're going to do word counter here. And as you can see, it's only a 2,800 word blog post. It's just the formatting is so narrow. If we go back up, let's click on add to cart like this. And when we add it to cart, as you can see, it took us over to Warriorplus. So this is how you could do it. This is probably a more consistent way to do it, is you just basically, anytime there's a new product that comes out on Warriorplus, you simply just write a review video, or you simply write a review blog post like this person did, and then add in a ton of bonuses. If you look, as I mentioned a little bit earlier, you want to make sure that you are adding bonuses that are congruent with whatever it is that this product does. You want to make sure that the products supplement and that aren't basically better than the main product. But if you look here, that's exactly what this person's doing. They're doing it again and again and again. And as you can see, they rank for 3,000 keywords, so it must be working. No person's going to keep doing this if it's not working. And they're getting significant traffic. Look at all of this traffic here. 4,000, 14,000, 1,000. You can tell this person knows what they're doing, and they are making decent money. So again, launch jacking, you can simply do YouTube videos. If we copy, I'm going to copy this one right here, go back over to YouTube, paste this in just like that. Stream Store Review, if we look. And what you could even do is you could turn this blog post into a video, and then you would double dip, play your video at the very top here. If we scroll all the way up, play your video at the very top and add your link. So instead of this green right here, just have a video and then have a button to the affiliate offer that you're recommending, and you can make money that way. So if we go back over to Stream Store, this is from 4 years ago. They've been in this for a long time, 9 months ago. People are having success, and this actually doesn't look like it's too competitive. People are having success promoting these products. Another way that you could do it is simply with Pinterest, and I've got Pinterest opened up here, and we can once again create pins. We'll paste this in, Stream Store Review, hit enter, and let's go back and change this to all pins, and you're going to find people are creating content about different products. What you can also do is you can create a YouTube channel about making money online. That's going to be the best way to go if you want long-term success. One of the drawbacks to just promoting the Warriorplus products or doing the review videos or the launch jacking is you're going to feel like you're running on a never-ending treadmill. You're going to be consistently having to upload new videos or new blog posts about the products because there's always a new product and the older products fade out or die. And so what you can do is you could actually create content on like 10 ways to make money online or side hustles or something like that. And then you could recommend the newest product that you find over on Warriorplus. But there's just a number of ways to go about it. So we've got launch jacking, we've got writing blog posts, we've got creating how to make money online type YouTube videos, we've got Pinterest. You can do the same thing with Instagram. You could do the same thing with Facebook. You could start a Facebook group dedicated to Warriorplus products. So if we go over to Facebook, there's a new way to make money on Facebook that nobody is talking about. So watch some of my videos where I talk about this new opportunity on Facebook. I don't really want to spoil it here today, but there's a lot of opportunity, a lot of new opportunity on Facebook. So we could go to, let's type in Stream Store Review. And what you could even do is you could write your blog post right on Facebook and make money that way. As you can see, Stream Store Review. If we go to groups, I wonder if there are people in groups. So these are different types of groups, but you could create groups about new business opportunities or new ways to make money online. If we do make money online, and then you just do reviews, make money online. And then you could just do reviews of different products and ways to make money online. You'll be able to gain a following rather quickly. So those are the various different ways that you can make money with your Warriorplus affiliate links. Now that you know that, click the first link in the description for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. When you click that first link, you'll be taken to a free training where you'll learn how to get started step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbold.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also, check out my website, alstongodbold.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.